それではこれより横浜港一周クルーズへと参ります。戦場ならではの横浜港の景色をどうぞごゆっくりお楽しみくださいませ。
Well, he wasn't going to do it. All he was saying was, we're leaving now, so if you're standing up and walking around, be careful. And it's not a very fast cruise, so just take your time and have fun.
Thank you.
So I thought he was going to start saying what you can see out of different sides, but he didn't, so. And I don't think they'll do that because it's a dinner cruise, so that'd be annoying if you're having a romantic dinner with your fiance and this guy keeps saying, there is the Sears Tower.